Problems in 7.1. Let's do number 16. So what is the probability that a 5-card poker hand contains a flush? That is 5 cards of the same suit. Now, we are going to pick 5 cards from 13. Right? A random 5. Right? And the reason is, this accounts for 5 ranks. Why am I doing this with my finger? I don't know. Right? We just picked 5 different ranks out of 13, and we accounted for all 5 ranks. Right? I'm pretty sure that 13 choose 5 is the same thing as, let's see, is it the same thing as 5 times 13? No. Or is it the same thing as 5 times 13 choose 1? Is it the same thing as this? This is my question. This is the correct answer. I'm just curious if this is 5 times C of 13 1. I wonder if those are the same. Because that would make sense, right? I'm choosing 1 card for 13, or rather, let's erase that, because we know that is not true, right? But I'm wondering if 13 choose 5 is the same thing as 13 choose 1 times 12 choose 1 times 11 choose 1 times 10 choose 1 times 9 choose 1. And I believe that it is. In fact, I'm 99% sure because I checked with her during lecture. But anyway, we accounted for rank. And so now that we've gotten 5 cards of different ranks, we all need them to be the same suit. And so there are only 4 possibilities of that, right? You can either have them be all spades, right? All diamonds. I'm writing these out because this problem's kind of short. It's 4 choose 1. Clubs or hearts, right? And so choosing 1 out of those 4, right, for all 5 cards, right? It's just the answer is going to be 13 choose 5 times 4 choose 1, obviously divided by 52 choose 5. Yeah, that's it. Let's do. Don't 100. Actually, yeah, you should 100% be assured that is the correct answer because I looked it up online. Unless Yahoo Answers was wrong and the forum was wrong, that is definitely correct. 17. What is the probability that a 5-card poker hand contains a straight? That is 5 cards that have consecutive kinds. Note that. Oh, okay. So I just did this problem, and this problem. Wait a minute. Didn't I just do this? No. Oh, I did not just do this. Okay. So this one is. I kind of just did it on the forum. It would be much nicer if I just kind of read it off the forum because I don't really want to go through the whole mental process of it again. Okay, so we need to define what a straight is. A straight has 5 ranks in it, right? And once you pick the nth rank, right, if you pick a 2, right, then automatically the next 4 cards are decided for you, right? This is n plus 1, this is n plus 2, this is n plus 3, and this is n plus 4, right? N plus 1 is 3, n plus 2 is 4, right? And so once we pick n, we've picked n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, and n plus 4, right? So really we only need to pick n, right? And so n is 13 choose 1, right? I'm sorry, n is not 13 choose 1. N is 10 choose 1. The reason is 10 is the number of different numbers n that you can start with in a straight. You can start with ace being 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 10, right? These are all valid, right? And that's, of course, 1 to 10, right? But you can't start with a jack, because a straight that starts with a jack looks like this, right? King. Sorry, I really should make that neater, but whatever. Ace, because ace can also be higher than a king, one higher, at a number 14, right? A king is 13, queen is 12, and jack is 11. And then you would get to 2. Well, 2 does not have a value of 15, so this is not allowed. So we only have 10 possibilities. So I guess I'll keep that up. So this is 10, choose 1. It does not, right? It does not have a value of 15. 10, choose 1, times, well, what's the value, the potential value of each of these cards, right? Now that we've picked our straight, right? We've picked a straight out of 52, choose 5, excuse me. Right, all divided by 52, choose 5. Right, so out of this giant set, we've picked a straight. We've picked this. Right, but we still need to determine the colors of all 5. Right? So, this is getting kind of messy. So let's do a new slide. And so this is going to be 10, choose 1. Oh. Let's try this one more time. We should do 10, choose 1, right? Times the possibilities of these 4. Well, there's 4 possibilities for this one, right? 4 possibilities for this one, 4 possibilities for this one, and 4 possibilities for this one. I think I said it 5 times. And so you're just gonna, this is 4. This is 4, choose 1. 4, choose 1 is equal to 4. Right, and this is also 4, choose 1, and this is 4, choose 1, and this is 4, choose 1, and this is 4, choose 1. We're picking one of the 4 colors, and the colors are spade, diamond, club, heart, and then this is going to, all this is going to come out to C of 10, choose 1, time, that's a bracket, just to kind of make it a little easier to see, times C of 4, choose 1, to the 5th. And so all divided by C of 52, choose 5. And that's your answer.